Ashu Sharma. I welcome you all in series of Python programming. Today we will see important topic file handling in Python. So as we know that file handling is important when we have to update some content from a file or we have to delete or edit even though we create certain files. So it is important in each and every programming language as we usually see. File handling is a concept which is an important part of web application as well. So Python has several functions for creating, reading, updating, and deleting files. Uh, Even if we start with this handling some of these syntaxes, how to explain them. So firstly, I create one file in that desktop I already created, and then I have to just read that file. So I taking one variable f, suppose equals to taking this function open, and then usually that path I'm just going to copy. So I am just copying that path, and it will take time. So 1 minute it is going to be copy once, and then it start that 1 minute. It is going to be a C drive, and that you will be able to just paste it. So here we have this part, and we put this double quotes over there, and here this slash will be double slash. So sometimes you get that error is a Unicode character error. So I have to put this double quotes here, and here also two times. And the file name is demo .txt. This file is going to be, and simply you put this read because you just want to read it, and then again you have to just print this. So print f dot read. So then you just take this path, and now you have to run this. So you see hello world my India. This is going to be your outcome. So what happened, you use here open function, and you just open it to read mode, and finally using this print function you just start to just outcome this hello world my India. So this is the content that we have in that notepad file, and once you just want to read, suppose on the part of the file, so you have to just put some index value here. Suppose I put here 3. So if I want to just run this, so as I see this in from the first line it is HEL, so first character it takes. So by default this read method returns that whole text, but you can also specify how many characters you want to return. So in that case, you have to just put this one. So if I make it separate, suppose this way, and I copy and paste it over here, and suppose make sure. So I just want to make it here and see what happens. So make it read over here and put this. Now I just run this one. So as we have seen here, HEL, so it takes that first three characters once using this read line and this read. Here another function that we can apply is read lines. You can return one line by using read line method. So again I just control C and control V it, make it possible that read line, and take it two times. So again I am just typing this like that, and make sure what happened here once I run this. So it is going to be just return it line again and again. So read line, if you put this two times, so you can read the first two line of this notepad file. So this is where you use it. Next one is suppose a loop. By looping through the lines of the files, you can read the whole file. So very first you have to just copy and paste this one, and after that for using that for loop, x suppose in f, and put this colon and then print, and you print this x. So now see if I run this, so you see this hello world and my India. So this is the content that is coming from the file. Now if you just want to close it, so again I am just copying this code from here and put over here, and finally after close, after close, and I run this, is going to be hello world is only that is going to be print, and this file is going to be closed. So this is the way that you use it. So today in this session we have seen first is that open function, print function, read function, read line function, and looping, how to line by line we can just read the content of that file, and finally close function, which is a good practice. Once you always close the file,